Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to the Vinmeister channel. Today I'm going to continue off with a summary of another place that I visited in November 2022. While I was in Switzerland, one of the cities I visited was Zurich. If you're planning to make a trip to Zurich and are looking for ways to maximize your experience while keeping the cost low, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and I'll tell you everything you need to know before making a trip there. In this video, I will be talking about the following things: general information about Zurich, places to visit, how to get around the city, food, and accommodations. As always, feel free to skip ahead to a specific section of this video if you'd like, but before you do that, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos like this. Let's get started. General information. Zurich is the largest city in Switzerland. It is located in the north-central part of the country and is known as one of the global banking and financial centers of the world. Walking down the streets of Zurich, you'll see an interesting blend of modern architecture and architecture dating back to the medieval times. Also, not too far in the distance, you can capture a beautiful view of the snow-capped mountains and serene Lake Zurich, making this city a great place to visit. Places to visit. Kunsthaus Zurich. Kunsthaus Zurich is the largest art museum in Switzerland. It offers attractive international exhibitions and is home to one of the most important art collections in the country. The entrance fee to the museum is about 23 francs. Bahnhofstrasse. If you're interested in shopping for luxury goods, Bahnhofstrasse is a prime spot for that. Located in Zurich's main downtown street, Bahnhofstrasse is one of the world's most expensive and exclusive shopping avenues. Großmünster. The Großmünster is a landmark of Zurich. It is a Romanesque-style Protestant church and is one of the four main churches in the city. The cost to go in is 5 francs. Fraumünster Church. Another prominent landmark in Zurich is the Fraumünster Church. Located in the west bank of the Limmat, this church was built on the remains of a former abbey for aristocratic women. To enter, it will cost 5 francs. St. Peter. St. Peter is the oldest parish church in the city. It is so old that some of the foundation walls inside the church date back to the 9th century. Getting around. Zurich is a transportation hub for railways, roads, and air traffic. In fact, Zurich Main Railway Station and Zurich International Airport are the largest and busiest terminals in the country. To get around the city, there are many modes of transportation you can take. In my opinion, the most cost-effective way to get around the city is to purchase a one-day pass. It costs 880 francs and it will allow you to take any form of public transportation in the city area within a 24-hour window. With a ticket, you can visit almost all the major attractions in the city. If you want to buy a ticket, you can purchase it from the machines at any train station. Food. Zurich is an expensive city. If you plan on dining out, be prepared to spend at least 30 francs. If you want to eat something cheaper, the best option is to buy pre-made meals at the grocery store. While I was there, I visited the local co-op a few times and paid about 6 francs for a discounted poke bowl. Accommodations. Again, Zurich is an expensive city. If you want to stay at a comfortable hotel in downtown Zurich, it will easily cost over 100 francs per night. If you want to stay somewhere cheaper, there are hostels a few kilometers away from the main station that could be an option. For my trip, I stayed at a place called Victoria Budget Hostel, and it cost me 45 francs per night. Overall, I would say that the hostel was comfortable for a short-term stay. The only thing I thought was unusual was that it's located at the back of a property in a residential area. Other than that, I thought it was worth the price I paid. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions about Zurich, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also, if you want more content like this, please give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. See you next time!